If you need to move all of your OneDrive for business files to a shared location, this tutorial will walk you through the simplest way to do it without making a mess of your folders. This is especially useful if you're handing over files to a team site, a Microsoft Teams channel, or a SharePoint shared folder, and you want everything transferred in one clean move. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into the correct OneDrive for Business account because using the web interface helps preserve your file history and makes the transition much smoother. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more practical software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, open OneDrive for Business in your browser and sign in. Once you're inside your account, go to My Files. This is where all of your personal business files and folders are stored. Now, in the top left area, click the checkbox to select everything you want to move. If you want to move your entire OneDrive contents, this is the quickest way to grab all files and folders at once. Just take a second to double check that the correct items are selected before moving on. Next, look at the top menu bar and click Move To. This option opens the location picker so you can send your files to a shared destination. After that, you'll see destination options like Microsoft Teams sites or SharePoint sites under Quick Access. If the shared location you want is already listed there, you can choose it right away. If you do not see it, click More Places to browse additional destinations. This is helpful when your team folder or shared site is not shown in the first list. Once you've found the right location, click into the folder where you want everything stored. Make sure you choose the exact shared folder or document library you need, because this is where all your selected OneDrive files will be moved. When you are ready, click Move Here. OneDrive will then begin transferring the files to the shared location. Depending on how many files you have, this may take a little while, so be patient and let the process finish. After the move is complete, your files will now live in the shared space instead of your personal OneDrive for Business area. That means your team can access them from the destination site, and the content is organized in a central place. If you're moving files for a handoff, team collaboration, or account cleanup, this is a very efficient way to do it. One important thing to remember is that if you are working with a large number of files, you should always verify the destination after the move finishes. Open the shared location and confirm that the folders and documents are all there exactly where you expected them to be. It's also a good idea to test a file or two so you know everything transferred correctly. If you ever need to move files again in the future, the same process applies. Sign in, select the files, click Move To, choose the shared location, and confirm with Move Here. It really is that simple once you know where the options are. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the channel and lets me bring you more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.